Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Technophone Bluetooth setting friends. In this video guys we will talk about guys how can we change guys our Bluetooth device name in a Technophone. Friends, you want to change guys your Bluetooth device name. So as you don't know how to change, so guys how can you change in this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so friends first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys we will have to come in guys our phone setting. So we will on our guys phone setting to change our Bluetooth device name. So friends, you can see this type of setting guys. So guys, how can you change your Bluetooth device name? Friends, you can see your more connection setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your Bluetooth setting. Then guys, you can see first of all guys on your Bluetooth. Then guys, you can change your device name. So we will on Bluetooth and guys we will change into Techno Mobile and guys Techno phone guys we will change into and guys click on rename option. Tap here. Then guys your device name will change guys. You can check. So I hope friends have understood how to change Bluetooth device name in Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video.